I've got an email marketing secret that will skyrocket your sales and leave your competitors begging for surrender. It's a secret so big that it can generate more than 40% of your email sales, and so easy, anyone can do it. Bad news, it'll only be a secret until this video goes viral and I become famous. So take advantage of it while you can. I'm Greg Zakowicz, 18-year email geek and e-commerce expert at Omnisend, and in today's video, I'm not only going to share my secret with you, but also share with you how to do it today. So what's the secret, Greg? Put your ear so close to the speaker that you hear me real good, probably less so in a minute. It's email automation. And for today, more specifically, it's a welcome series and cart abandonment automation. Now, automated emails generate 41% of all email orders for brands, and welcome and cart abandonment are two of the best money-making automated messages. That's why all brands want them and all other messages want to be them. So let's get you sending. And if you already send them, let's get you optimized. Let me show you how easy these are, and let's start with the welcome. Log into Omnisend and click on automations and then create workflow. Omnisend already built these for you because they're awesome like that. So all you have to do is click on welcome on the left side. You'll see three options, one for a single message, one for an email and SMS, and one for a 3-message series. Let's use 3 messages. Now that's the thing of beauty. As you can see, the template is virtually ready to go. Trigger rule at the top will be when a new subscriber is added. We add a 1-minute delay, which is a common best practice. And from there, all you need to do is adjust the timing between messages and the message content. To adjust the delay, simply click on the delay node in the workflow canvas, and on the right side of the screen, change the delay to whatever you want. My recommendation is to send 1 message each day, so a 1-day delay in between messages is just perfect. Now we want to edit the message content. To do so, click on the message node and click Edit Content in the right pane. From here, you'll be brought to a drag and drop message editor where you can customize the message with any images, coupons, codes, text, product suggestions, pictures of me, really whatever you want. Now, since these are brand new subscribers, be sure to communicate reasons they should feel comfortable buying from you. These might include things like friendly shipping and return policies, satisfaction guarantees, and exceptional product quality or fit, accompanied with product reviews, of course. Now, these can be communicated anywhere in your emails as long as they're visible. Now, here's an example of how one brand communicated these in their welcome message. Now, once you're finished, click Finish Editing. You've got your first message done, and now you can add to your series by adding other channels such as SMS, testing messages and delays between messages, even splitting paths for those who click on certain links in the previous message. Now, if you're looking for content for your other welcome messages, consider building the messages based on things like new shoppers might care about. These include top-rated, best-selling, and limited edition products, and reminders to use their welcome discount if you offered one. And when you're ready to activate your workflow, click Start Workflow. Watch the sales roll in. Now let's recapture those lost sales by creating your abandoned cart series. Let's create a new workflow again. Use one of Omnisend's pre-built ones. The trigger rule at the top is preset for when they add a new item to their cart. There are 2 exit options by default, when they place an order and when they start their checkout. In this example, we'll eliminate the second exit condition by clicking the trash can to the right of the rule. There's also a 1-hour delay, which is perfectly fine. I want my money sooner, so I'm going to change this to 30 minutes. Hey, I'm wild like that. Finally, you'll see a frequency setting at the bottom, which gives us the ability to throttle customers who have previously entered the workflow. Now, this is perfectly fine for now, but if you're ever worried about coupon abuse, you can change this to a longer window later. Now, you can see we have 3 messages in the workflow. To edit your messages, follow the exact same steps I showed you before. By default, we include all abandoned product details in the message, such as image, name, price, and description. But you can easily toggle these off by clicking the abandoned products on the right rail, navigating the product details, and then toggling the choices you wish. While here, you can also customize the layout, number of products shown, columns, and anything else you may want. Once you're finished, click Save Your Work. It's that simple. Now here's an example for Omnisend Sports, and what I like about this message is they keep the text short and sweet, show the abandoned product, and include an obvious call to action. Also, notice they didn't offer a discount. Now, with a 57% click-to conversion rate, I don't think they need to. Now, once you're finished, I recommend adding additional email and SMS messages to your series. SMS is a huge revenue driver when it comes to abandoned carts. Luckily, creating additional messages is easier than with most automated series because the content will mostly be the same. Just keep the focus on your abandoned products and create a sense of urgency. Just be sure to change the subject lines and intro text. Maybe something like, "These products won't last long," or 15% off to complete your order today. These are just perfect. Told you this was easy. Now with additional messages, you'll want to set your delays. So while there is no right or wrong delay, Here's what I recommend. Message 1 at 30 minutes after abandonment. Message 2, 12 hours after abandonment. Message 3, 24 hours after. And message 4, 48 hours after abandonment. One final note. If you want to test the timing, discounts, subject lines, or really anything else, you can, and you can quite easily. Let's say you want to see if a discount helps convert customers. Simply drag the A/B testing node into the workflow, select which percentage of contacts you want to go down each path, and complete the workflow. And when you're ready to activate the workflow, click Start Workflow. Watch those recovered sales inflate your bank account. That's a nice thing. Now, as you've seen, the secret to earning more money and doing less work is about using the right automations. Get your welcome and abandoned cart workflows up and running today, but don't stop there. Remember, automation's your friend. We hug our friends. Now, if you're looking to increase your store sales without overpaying, Omnisend offers everything you need, including, as you've seen today, email workflow templates, built-in product reviews, 24/7 live award-winning support for all customers, and by the way, trusted by over 100,000 brands. Be sure to find out more at omnisend.com, which is also linked in the video description. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're looking for even more e-commerce marketing videos, be sure to check out this one right there. And until next time, happy marketing.